Hello everyone, my name is Mark Philpott and I run the Humanity organization. If you haven't checked us out yet, check us out at humanity.com. You'll find 3 amazing podcast shows with guests from all over the world talking about travel, business and their life stories. Now today in this little video I wanted to share a couple of secret weapons for you as business people to really take your life and your business work to a new level. And those 2 things are meditation and intermittent fasting. Yes, these are the 2 secret weapons that I use to take my life and my business life to a new level. Now, a lot of people out there are not familiar with intermittent fasting or meditation. They might see them as woo-woo stuff, and as a result of that, they stay away from it, and that's fine. But what I'm going to explain to you now is the major benefits that I've achieved from both intermittent fasting and from meditation from my business life, or for my business life. First of all, I was a guy who was extremely overweight. In fact, I was medically categorized as obese just 5 months ago, and as a result of that, I used to feel tired. I used to have to push myself harder to do what a normal person would do who was living in a healthy state. So I decided that I wanted to change that. I needed to change it. I wanted to be healthier, and I had to take accountability for myself. So in the last 4 months, I've lost 25 kilos in weight, over 40 pounds. I've put all my blood markers back into an extremely healthy range, including lowering my cholesterol, and I have removed all negative stress from my life. So how have I done that? Well, I've used meditation and intermittent fasting as my secret weapons. And what it's allowed me to achieve in my business life has been extraordinary. I have energy like I've never had before. I've now reduced my sleeping time a number of hours, where I'm getting up between 4 and 5 a.m. every day. I'm feeling super empowered to be able to achieve all the things that I want to achieve in my business. I'm currently writing 2 books. I'm making plans for a TV series. I've launched 3 podcast shows all in the last 12 months. So these things only happen because I'm focused and I've got energy to burn. And I want to share those secrets with you. So if you haven't tried meditation, I suggest that you simply download an app from the mobile app world. There's a lot of apps to choose from. I'm not necessarily going to recommend one for you, but I do use one called Let's Meditate. It's a guided app. It's good for beginners. It teaches you how to get going in meditation. And as and when you are ready to progress from that, you will know, and you can take the steps to do your own meditation. As far as intermittent fasting, I do a process called 16-8, where I go 16 hours without food, and then I have food for 8 hours during the day, but I only eat once or twice a day. So my food intake has reduced enormously. I don't get hungry, and I also do multi-day fastings every month. So I do between 36, 48 and 72 hours. Here we go. This is one of the many benefits of living on a boat. Morning, Captain.
Oh, g'day.
And yeah, that's my home office, so lots of beautiful things happening here. So there we are. I do intermittent fasting, and this allows me to, well, first of all, the benefits of this are many. First of all, I had a lot of weight loss, and my weight is now stable, so my body has got in tune with itself. It knows exactly where it's staying as far as its weight position goes. I have all the energy in the world, so that afternoon bonk when I used to go for the chocolate bars or anything else, it doesn't exist anymore. I get through the day completely with the same energy levels, and it feels absolutely fantastic. My creativity levels have gone through the roof. My eyesight has improved. My skin condition has got better, and the list goes on. There's just so many benefits from intermittent fasting. So again, if you're new to the world of intermittent fasting, or you think it's a woo thing, give it a go, because like most things in life, until you actually tried them, you're not able to judge them. And it affects everybody differently, so I'll be the first to acknowledge that, and you might have to do it for a little bit longer or a little bit less before you find the true benefits that I had. But I find these 2 things, meditation and intermittent fasting, as really powerful secret weapons for me in my business life, because it gives me that energy, it gives me that clarity, where meditation allows me to clear my mind, to get rid of any stress, negative stress that I'm holding on to, and to really hit the reset button on a daily basis. And I meditate every morning. So I really recommend for you out there. If you're focused on making money, you're focused on growing your business and doing all these things, take a step back, put your foot off the pedal for a minute and just calm down. And being more calmer in your life, eating properly, eating intermittently, and doing some meditation, you'll find a huge difference in your ability in your work life as well as in your pleasure life. So there you go, my 2 tips for the day. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoy the setting, and I'll be back again soon with another video. In the meantime, check out humanity.com for a couple of amazing podcasts, wonderful guests I'm talking to, and I wish everybody a happy weekend.